Hey, what's going on, Rockstars? Welcome back into the channel. Last day of May, the 31st, Friday afternoon, 2024. Appreciate you guys being here. If you missed yesterday's video, how to fix your eBay sales right away. It's no clickbait. It is 100% how you can fix sales right now, tonight, today, this weekend. Go check it out. I'll make sure it's linked somewhere in the video or down below in the description box. Go do that. Tell me how it works out for you in the comment section after you've done it and after the weekend. Also today, before I go to bed, I'm gonna schedule my listing service sale to end. If you want our team, my listing team, to make your eBay or Poshmark listings for you, take the work out of it. You just upload your photos to our website or mobile app. We will do it all for you. They are the cheapest we have ever done them. The website is linked below. You don't need a coupon code. Just go purchase them and they never ever expire. You can use those credits anytime you want for us to make listings. Let's talk about sales as we go into June of 2024. Everything I told you guys to do in the video, from sales to promoteds and all the other stuff you should go check out, you gotta do as we start a new month. It is summer slowdown. So is eBay dead? No, eBay does not die. There are people that I ship in my fulfillment service and fulfillment building that are selling 10, 15, 20 items a day. I promise you, I ship it every single day. I post pictures on my Instagram. eBay is not dead if you sell the right items and you follow the right processes. It is slow. So if you're somebody who sells 20 items a day, you may only sell 10 items a day or 15 items a day. That's just the reality of it. There is no way around summer slowdown. Why is summer slow in sales? A lot of good reasons for this, but here's the main ones. People are out on the beach, they're on vacation, they're barbecuing, they're at the pool. They're not on the internet spending money. They're not as focused on being on their computer or their phone as they normally are. Second thing, people are spending money on those vacations and those beach trips and those barbecues, so they have less money to spend. Third reason, generally speaking, summer is the exact opposite of the holidays. During the holidays, which we know is November, December, fourth quarter, October a little bit, also during the beginning of the year, New Year's sales, we have Valentine's, we have tax time, January, February, March, tax time all the way to April. All that tax money is generally gone. It's been doled out. It's been sent. So we know that you can do a lot of money from October, November, December, and January, February, March. Those 6 months are like your top tier earning stuff. The 6 months in between, and April really counts towards that tax time. So that's, that's 7 months, leaving 5 months. So May, June, May you tend to see a little bit and it dips like now. But June, July, August, and September, those 4 months are generally the slowest months, and that's historically why. So those are the reasons that summer slowdown exists and the reason you have to battle twice as hard. Make sure you are running sales, you are listing things. If you don't do anything extraordinary, your sales are gonna drop from summer slowdown and you're gonna be down here. If you do your normal routine and you step it up a little bit, you can keep yourself at that same playing field where you were in the beginning of the year and you won't go down. You're gonna have to work extra hard to make up for the slowness and to get up here if you want to raise your sales versus just staying stagnant or dropping during summer slowdown. It is the worst time. Historically, June and July are the worst 2 months. July was worse. I believe the last time I checked last year, June had been worse in 2022 or 2021 maybe. July worse last year in 23. I looked that up. So 2022, 2023 was the decline from the COVID money going away, the checks, all that 2020, 21 money was there all the way until 22, came down, and now summer slowdown is going to hit hard, guys, not to mention the state of the economy. The economy is bad. People are waiting to see what's going to happen in an election, what's going to happen to interest rates, what's going to happen to groceries and gas prices. These are all things to take into account, but they are not something to worry about as far as platforms being dead. Just keep working hard, keep listing, keep doing everything I tell you to do in the video I put down there. You'll be just fine. It's not a reason to quit. It's not a reason to give up and just throw in the towel. If you got to wholesale some stuff, wholesale it. Keep some money coming in to keep that inventory fresh. Keep cycling that money. If you want to list lots are a great way. If you've got 4 polo shirts for a man that are extra large, put them up. Instead of $20 for one polo shirt, put up 4 of them for $60, $70. You'll make a $60, $70 sale. You'll be just as happy giving up $2 or $3 a shirt, $4 a shirt, as you would waiting for all 4 of them to sell. So that's kind of my advice for summer slowdown. How do you beat summer slowdown? You got to work harder, work faster, work smarter, sell lots, do promotions, run sales, keep on top of your listings. And I give you a whole bunch more tips in that video from yesterday. Please take a minute to go check it out. And if you need to keep up on the listings, please consider using my listing service. We make listings for you. All you have to do is upload your photos, send them to us, and we will take care of the rest. If you want us to store your inventory after you've made your listings, whether you make them or whether we make them, we have a fulfillment billing. We pay the shipping. All you have to do is box your stuff up, give me the information, email me, rockstarflipper@gmail.com, and we will pay you for the shipping label. I'll buy it. I'll give you the shipping label. You'll ship your stuff in. We will put it on our shelves and we will ship it out for you every day, Monday through Friday. You can do one-day handling and you pay one flat fee for the fulfillment. It depends on the items and the categories. Email me. I'll give you all that information. I don't want to quote anything here because it just depends really on what you have. Shoes, clothing, toys, electronics, accessories, all that sort of, jewelry, that sort of good stuff. We take pretty much all of that. Nothing glass, nothing huge, big, bulky, but everything reasonable. So books, media, CDs, DVDs, video games, you guys know what I'm talking about. Small electronics, digital cameras, GoPros, iPads, webcams, all that sort of stuff we'll take in. So email me, rockstarflipper@gmail.com if you want the fulfillment. If you just want us to make your listings, that's option one. Go on the website, ecommercelisters.com. It is linked below. You can start with 10 listings. You can start with 15 listings, 25 listings, whatever you want to start with. They never expire. You can use them anytime. Go put them on our site or our mobile app, and we'll do the work for you. We have helped so many people grow. I'll put a few screenshots as I talk to you guys about reviews, and hopefully we can have you on the team and help you grow your store and beat summer slowdown. That's the topic of this video, beating summer slowdown. All right, as always, I appreciate everyone who watches these videos. I appreciate you guys joining me, and until the next one, have a wonderful afternoon, wonderful evening, wonderful weekend, and a great, amazing start to your June. See you guys.